Used to see in black and white, never any in-between, waiting on the love of my life to come into my dreams. Everything is shades of gray, never any blues or green. Needed someone else to turn to, someone who can help me learn to see all the beauty